Before time existed, before space had meaning, before stars, planets, or even light, everything in the universe was compressed into something smaller than an atom. There was no up or down, no past or future. And then, the universe began. This was not an explosion in space. It was the birth of space itself, a moment that changed nothing into everything. Welcome to Biohistory, a channel where science meets reality. Here, we don't tell stories, we uncover evidence. From the origin of the universe to the forces that shape life itself, every documentary is built on facts, observation, and real science. In this episode, we will travel back nearly 14 billion years to understand how the universe began through the Big Bang Theory. From the earliest humans to modern scientists, one question has always remained the same. Where did everything come from? The stars, the planets, space, time? Was there ever a beginning? Ancient civilizations believed the universe was created by gods. These ideas were powerful, but they were not based on observation or evidence. Everything changed when humans began using mathematics and observation. Science replaced belief with evidence. In the 20th century, Albert Einstein revealed that space and time were not fixed. They could stretch and bend. This is the greatest story science has ever told. As scientists traced the expanding universe backward, all matter and energy led to a single point called a singularity, where the laws of physics break down. After 380,000 years, electrons bonded with nuclei. Light was finally free to travel across the universe. Within seconds after the Big Bang, the universe was hot enough to create the most fundamental particles: quarks, electrons, and neutrinos. As temperatures dropped, quarks combined to form protons and neutrons, the core of every atom. About 3 minutes after the Big Bang, the first atomic nuclei formed, mostly hydrogen. Even after atoms formed, the universe was still opaque. Light could not travel freely. If you enjoyed this deep journey into the Big Bang Theory, make sure to subscribe to the Biohistory channel. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others who love science and history, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. This was just the beginning. The next part of the Big Bang Theory series is coming very soon, where we'll explore how the first stars and galaxies were born. Stay curious and stay connected with Biohistory.